Okay, what I'm making today is a Makai roti sandwich. So Makai, as you know, maize or corn, is a fiber-rich cereal, a grain, and it is rich in carbs, which makes it, but the glycemic index is low. It's a complex carb. Thank you. And it has little bit of proteins, but a lot of minerals and vitamins. Vitamin B6 is rich in that. So what am I going to stuff it with? Here I have chana, chickpea, which I had boiled earlier and mashed it a bit. And to this I don't have avocados. Typically you add avocados to this dish. But since I do not have, I'm adding some roasted pumpkins. So chickpea, we all know, is a protein-rich food. About a cup of chickpea, that's about 150 grams, has about 11 grams of protein. It's again a carbohydrate-rich food, but again a complex carb. Rich in B vitamins, minerals, iron, folate, potassium. And it's a very, for Weight Watchers, it's a good food. I'm just mashing the two. If you see, the pumpkin is with the skin. If you can see here, it's got the skin intact. I washed it nicely and I roasted it in the oven with the skin. Now I'm going to add, most of the veggies carry the nutrition right under the skin. So I am going to use it with the skin. So it increases my fiber intake as well. So what I have done, I mashed it up nicely. So what I am going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of masala to it. So first and foremost, I'm adding salt, the Himalayan pink salt. And pumpkin, we know, it's got a lot of water in it. Again, rich in potassium. It's got some trace metals like selenium also in it. So when you have a diverse group of vegetables, what you do, you're adding the amount of minerals that you're consuming as well. So I'm adding some roasted garlic powder. So you have multiple vitamins, B group of vitamins predominantly today. And along with that, you're also adding a lot of minerals, which we don't bother much about in our intake of food. And then I add some pepper flakes, red chili flakes, sorry. And some nimbu. So what I do here, I'm going to mix everything together. I didn't have coriander. I ran out of coriander leaves today, so I added a little bit of homegrown pudina that I had, very tender, just coming up. The leaves are just coming up, so some extra zinc to the whole thing. I just added a little bit of mint. So now I'm going to assemble the sandwich. So what I have, two rotis here, Makai ka roti, and Makai rotis are slightly thicker. So this is made with no oil. It's maize, Makai is basically gluten-free, so it won't bind. So I added, for 1 cup of maize, I added half a cup of steamed potatoes, and I mashed it up with the atta. Added a little bit of almond butter and salt. And this was rolled. Rolling is a bit difficult. You'll have to add a lot more of maize and roll it up very slowly. And then it's made without any oil. So what I am going to do now is, this is again homegrown lettuce. So I'm adding a few leaves here. So look at the fiber here. Look at that running out here. And so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this filling here. My hands are clean, washed. And most of you know by now that I love using my hands. So I'm adding this filling. Having done that, now what I'm going to do, place some tomato slice on it. Now you can use this filling in your bread, in your roti, or you know, I'm going to place this on top. The leaves have already been washed. So I'm placing this and sealing this with the roti. I'm going to slice this. I'll just wash my hands and get a knife. So what I'm going to do here, a nice healthy filling. So let me just slice this. So we have these 4 slices and tastes good. So this is my Makai roti sandwich for dinner. Oil free, very healthy food. You can make it with anything, make it with bread, make it with plain rotis, roll it, but it's completely delicious. It's got greens, it's got its protein, and it's a high carb food. Obviously, most of our vegetarian food is high in carb. But what kind of carb you consume is very, very important.